Today we're going to walk through the installation of a trailer hitch bracket on a 2021 through 2024 Ford Bronco. Unbox the trailer hitch bracket. During installation, the upper mounting bolts will need to be removed, and the cover plate for the trailer power connector will also need to be taken off. Before working on the vehicle, gather the required tools. First, you'll need a large impact wrench, a small flathead screwdriver, a socket extension, some locking pliers, a large torque wrench, a 5mm hex bit, a 10mm deep socket, and an 18mm deep socket. Begin by lifting the vehicle to access the rear bumper area. Disconnect the wiring harness connectors on both sides of the bumper. With your 18mm deep socket, remove the rear bumper mounting bolts and studs. Carefully remove the rear bumper and set it aside. Next, grab your 10mm deep socket on the impact and remove the trailer connecting bolt. Slide the connector out towards the side and remove the plug. Using an 18mm deep socket, remove the rear trailer hitch bracket bolts and then remove the factory hitch bracket. Prepare the new hitch bracket for installation. First, remove the pre-installed mounting bolts from the new bracket using an 18mm deep socket. Before installing the trailer power connector, remove the cover plate from the power connector bracket. Use a 5mm hex bit to remove the cover, then use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the retaining clip. Go back to the vehicle and install the trailer hitch bracket into position. Install the mounting bolts and use an 18mm deep socket on your impact wrench to tighten them. Be careful not to over torque these bolts, as they will have to be torqued down to spec. Grab your torque wrench and set it to 120 Newton meters and then tighten the bolts. Our trailer power connector supports two configurations. The first is a square port connector included with the kit, which installs using the supplied mounting bracket. For the OEM trailer power connector, the lower section of the bracket may interfere during installation. If needed, use your locking pliers to slightly bend the lower tab downward before installing. For this installation, we're using the OEM trailer power connector. You can see here we're using our locking pliers to bend the lower tab slightly downward. Install this plug in the screws and then use a 10mm deep socket with an impact wrench to tighten the screws fully. Now you can reinstall the rear bumper. Install the tow hook points first, then install the bumper mounting bolts and studs. For these, you're going to need your 18mm socket again on an impact. Be sure to snug them up, but do not over torque them. Next, use an 18mm deep socket with an extension bar and torque wrench set to 120 Newton meters. Be sure to torque down all the bolts and studs to spec. Once the bracket is installed and the bolts are torqued, you can reconnect the wiring connectors on both sides of the bumper. Here's what a completed installation should look like. Now you're ready to lower the vehicle and the trailer hitch bracket is ready for use.